So you want to learn how to do a backwards flip, but maybe the back flip is too scary. Well, that's okay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to learn the back side. And for some, it can be an easier, less scary approach at learning backwards flips. But you gotta focus. All right, so first things first, I shouldn't even need to mention this, but let me mention it just in case. You want to find yourself a safe location, somewhere you can practice doing flips confidently, whether it be a gymnastics center, trampoline park with a foam pit, crash pads, etc. And then also you want to be in generally good shape before you start doing flips. It's just good practice. With that being said, let's break down how to do the back side. So how I like to approach learning this move isn't just straightforward jumping into it, trying to use perfect form. No, you guys know me. I like to break it down with some simple hacks. Now this approach to hack this flip is pretty straightforward and takes some concepts that you may have seen in my previous tutorials. For one, there is the makaku, which you can use to help learn this flip, but in my opinion there's actually an easier way to go about learning this flip, and that is using the cartwheel and then slowly taking the hands away. So the first thing you're going to want to think about doing is what side you're going to want to turn towards when you do the side flip off the back, right? So for me, I'm actually turning towards my left shoulder for my side flip, which is actually funny because when I do a normal side flip on the ground, it's towards my right shoulder. So that's just saying it doesn't necessarily have to be the same way you would want to do a side flip. It could be whatever way you really want or whatever way you're feeling comfortable with. So since I have decided to jump backwards and then side flip towards my left shoulder, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn towards my left shoulder, and I am going to cartwheel with my left hand down first and then my right hand. And this doesn't have to be a gymnastics cartwheel where you start facing one way and then face the other way. This can be a cartwheel just like a freaking wheel. And you can see how simple this is. All you really have to do is follow that same path of the cartwheel, but start turning your feet away when you initiate that cartwheel. Work on this at your own pace and keep turning away from that cartwheel until you are 90 degrees from where you started the cartwheel. Now what I want you to do when you fully make it to the 90-degree turn and you're able to do your cartwheel off of this and it feels smooth and nice and good, what you can do is take away the second hand. So the hand that goes down first still goes down, but the second hand is now taken away and you just do a one-handed cartwheel like that. And then literally from here, it's quite simple. You want to continue through that range of motion, lightening up the hand, working more on the jump, more on the pop, until eventually you're barely touching the hand and feeling like you're doing most of the flip with the jump. Very important for any of these intermediary moves. You do not want to lock the arm out like this, all right? Don't do this, don't lock out the arm. You always want to have a slight bend in it. You always want to be ready to catch if something goes wrong. But it's really quite simple from here. All you do is continue to work on this cartwheel, but work on more and more of a pop, more of a jump, and slowly lighten up that hand, but always be ready until you're feeling very confident to send it. And upon sending it, like I mentioned in the beginning, you might want to use a pad, a gymnastics center, a trampoline park, somewhere safe, somewhere where you're confident, and somewhere where it's soft to land, you know, if you bail or if you just land on your legs, right? In fact, the trampoline is an absolutely great place to even learn this move and also practice this move. So yeah, just exercise precautions when practicing any of these moves, obviously. And there you have it, the backside. From there, you can clean it up, make it look poppier, snappier, work into it. It feels good, it feels awesome, it looks cool. Dang, there you go, the backside. I hope you all enjoyed this video. With that being said, if you're looking to get in shape with your body weight, check out my 12-week calisthenics program, Bodyweight Beast 2.0. Work out virtually anywhere. Tons of great feedback on that program right now. I want to thank you all so much out there for the positive feedback I'm getting on that program. I am super glad to hear you're all getting great results. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on. I have more videos coming out. Stay tuned. Hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.